Welcome to maths class, and today we'll do division. Division is the repeated subtraction of same number. Like multiplication is the repeated addition of same number. Just like that, division is the repeated subtraction of same number, or division is the inverse or opposite of multiplication. Vaibhavi invite her 3 friends on her birthday. She asked her father to bring a cake, 32 toffees, 4 caps, 8 burgers and 16 chocolates. So Vaibhavi का birthday है, उसने अपने फादर से जो है केक, 32 टॉफ़ीज़, 4 कैप्स, 8 बर्गर एंड 16 चॉकलेट्स बनाए. नाउ फाइंड आउट हाउ मैनी टॉफ़ीज़ डिड ईच गेट. 32 डिवाइड बाय 4, बिकॉज उसने 4 फ्रेंड्स को इन्वाइट किया है, तो 32 को हमें क्या करना है, 4 से डिवाइड करना है. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 8. सो ईच विल गेट 8 टॉफ़ीज़. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट लेट्स रिवाइज. Divide the following numbers using number line. So we have to divide 18 by 6. So 0 to will move to number 18. Now we have to divide 6. So हम 6 का जम करेंगे 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Till we reach 0. So how many times? 3. 18 divided by 6, that is equals to 3. Next, divide the following. 72 by 9. 9 8s are 72. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks with the multiplication and division fact. 8 into 4, that is 32. 32 divided by 4 gives you 8. And 32 divided by 8 gives you 4. Clear? Next, divide and find the quotient and remainder. 88 divided by 7. So, first हम 8 को divide करेंगे 1 time, subtract करेंगे, we'll get 1. Now, 7 2s are 14. Subtract करेंगे 4. So, our quotient is 12 and 4 is our remainder. Clear? So, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. नेक्स्ट इज डिवीजन एज रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. डिवाइड 24 by 6 by रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वी कीप subtracting 6 from 24 till we get 0. So 24 minus 6, that is 18. Again 6 subtract किया, we'll get 12. Again किया, we'll get 6. 6 minus 6 0. So how many times? We have done 4 times. 4 times we have subtracted 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 24 divided by 6, that is equals to 4. That's why division is same as repeated subtraction. Next is evolution time 5.1. Divide the following by repeated subtraction. 70 by 10. So 70 minus 10, that is 60. 60 minus 10, that is 50. 50 minus 10, that is 40. 40 minus 10, we keep subtracting till we get 0. 30, 30 minus 10, 20, 20 minus 10, 10, 10 minus 10, that is equals to 0. So, how many times we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 70 divided by 10, that is equals to 7. Clear? Next, relationship between multiplication and division. For each multiplication, there are 2 division facts. Like 15 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 75. So, the division facts are 75 divided by 5 gives you 15, and if you divide 75 by 15, that will give you 5. So, every multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts. Next is evolution time 5.2. Write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication fact. 18 into 5, that is 90. 90 divided by 18, that is equals to 5. And 19 divided by 5, that is equals to 18. Clear? Next, write 1 multiplication fact for each of the following division fact. 84 divided by 12, that is equals to 7. So 12 into 7, that is equals to 84. Clear? Next, properties, facts of division. Property 1, dividing a number by itself. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. सो किसी भी नंबर को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन विल बी 1. 73 डिवाइड बाय 73 गिव्स यू 1. प्रॉपर्टी 2, dividing a number by 1. If we divide any number by 1, the quotient will be the number itself. 253 divided by 1 gives you 253. Property 3, dividing by 0 by a number. Dividing 0 by a number. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient will be 0. 0 को किसी भी non-zero number से divide करें, quotient क्या होगा? 0. 0 divided by 73, 0. 0 divided by 123, 0. Next, property 4. Dividing any non-zero number by 0. 17 divided by 0, अगर किसी भी नंबर को हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे, that is not defined or meaningless. Because this division will continue endlessly, so it is meaningless. Next is evaluation time 5.3. Fill in the blanks. 324 divided by 324, that is equals to 1. Next, term related to division. The number to be divided, जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज डिविडेंड. द नंबर बाय विच, जिस नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं वो कहलाएगा डिवाइजर. जो आंसर हमें मिलेगा वो क्वोशिएंट. द नंबर लेफ्ट ओवर आफ्टर डिवीजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर. सो हियर 33 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. 4 8s are 32. सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 1. सो 8 इज आर क्वोशिएंट, 1 इज आर रिमाइंडर, 42 इज आर डिवाइजर एंड 33 दैट इज आर डिविडेंड. नेक्स्ट इज डिविजन एल्गोरिथम. डिविडेंड दैट इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. तो डिविडेंड इक्वल होता है डिवाइजर और क्वोशिएंट के प्रोडक्ट और उसमें रिमाइंडर ऐड करें तो. सो 33 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 8 प्लस 1. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 32 प्लस 1 33. क्लियर? विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिविजन एल्गोरिथम वी कैन चेक द आंसर. रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन दैट डिवाइजर. रिमाइंडर हमेशा डिवाइजर से छोटा होगा. लॉन्ग डिविजन मैथड. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. डिवाइड 94 बाय 3. सो 9 10s डिवाइडेड बाय 3, दैट इज 3 10s. राइट 3 इन द 10s कॉलम. सो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इस तरीके से अरेंज करेंगे नंबर को. जो इस नंबर को मैं डिवाइड करना है, दैट मीन्स डिविडेंड को अंदर लिखेंगे, डिवाइजर को बाहर. नाउ फर्स्ट नंबर दैट इज 9. हमेशा ये डिवाइजर से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. सो 3 3s are 9, we know. So we'll say the table of 3 till we get either 9 or the number just less than 9. तो 3 की टेबल में तो 9 आता है. 3 3s are 9. Subtract करेंगे we'll get 0. Now we'll note down next number, that is 4. 3 1s are 3. Subtract करेंगे 1 आ जाएगा. So here 31 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. Clear? So this is called the long division method. Next, evaluation time 5.4. Divide the following. 94 divided by 5. 94 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. 5 1s are 5. Subtract करेंगे, we'll get 4. Now this number is less than 5, so we'll note down next number. 5 8s are 40. Because 5 9s are क्या हो जाता है 45. So we have to find out a number in 5's table which is either exactly equal to this number or just less than this number. तो 5 की टेबल में 44 तो नहीं आता, उससे जस्ट छोटा नंबर क्या है 40. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 4. सो दिस इज आवर क्वोशिएंट एंड दिस इज आवर रिमाइंडर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग एंड वेरीफाई योर आंसर. 835 बाय 5. 835 को हमें 5 से डिवाइड करना है. 5 1s are 5. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 3. नेक्स्ट नंबर नोट डाउन किया 33. 5 6s are 3. 5 7s are 35. Clear? Now dividend, that is 805, that is equals to quotient. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. So 835, that is equals to 835. That means our division is correct. So this way we can verify our answer. Next, divide the following and verify your answer. So same वही मेथड रहेगा. 6378 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Subtract करेंगे. 3 1s are 3. 0. 7 आ जाएगा, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 1, 3 6 ज़ा 18. Now dividend, that is equals to quotient multiplied by divisor, 2 1 2 6 multiplied by 3 plus 0. So that is equals to 6 3 7 8, that is equals to 6 3 7 8 plus 0, that is equals to 6 3 7 8. Both are equal, that means our division is correct. Clear? In this case, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. Clear? Next, division by 10, 100 and 1000. Look at the following table. 360, that is our dividend, divisor is 10. So start from the right hand side. If 1 0 is there in divisor, start from the right hand side. The first digit, that will be our remainder, and rest of the digit, that will be our quotient. So here 31 is quotient and 6 is remainder. 2054 divided by 10. So first digit start from the right hand side, that is 4. 4 हमारा remainder हो जाएगा. 205 remaining digit 205, that is our quotient. 6354 divided by 100. 2 0 है तो start from the right hand side. Ones and tens जो 2 digit होंगी, that will be our remainder and remaining digit our quotient. 63 quotient हो जाएगा, 54 जो हमारा है वो remainder हो जाएगा. Clear? So from the above table, it is clear that when we divide a number by 10, we simply remove the digit at one's place. Remaining digit of the number are considered as the quotient and removed digits are remainder. Similarly, when we divide a number by 100, the last 2 digits are removed, remaining digits are considered as quotient and removed digit as remainder. Similarly, when we divide a number by 1000, 3 digits जो remove करेंगे वो हमारी क्या हो जाएगी, वो हमारी हो जाएगी remainder and remaining digit हमारा quotient. Next is evaluation time 5.5. Fill in the blanks. 538 divided by 10. So 8 is our remainder and 53, that is our quotient. Clear? Next, story problems. We'll take an example here. 5 chocolates are packed in a small box. How many small boxes are required to pack 5895 chocolates? So 5 चॉकलेट को पैक करने के लिए 1 बॉक्स चाहिए. तो 5895 चॉकलेट को पैक करने के लिए कितने बॉक्स चाहिए? सो व्हाट विल डू, विल डिवाइड 5895 बाय 5. सो 1179 box will be required to pack these chocolates. Next is evaluation time 5.6. There are 640 pens in 5 boxes. How many pens are there in each box? So ज़्यादा का दिया हुआ 1 का फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड करना है. सो 640 को हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 8 ज़ा 40. So 121 pens in each box. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions. Next is look back. Division is the repeated subtraction. It is the inverse of multiplication. The number to be divided, that is called dividend, and number by which we divide, that is called divisor. Answer we get after division, that is called quotient. The number left over after the division, that is called remainder. Division algorithm, that is very important. The dividend equals to divisor multiplied quotient plus remainder. When we divide a non-zero number by itself, the answer is 1. When the number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the answer will be 0. And when we divide any number by 0, then it is meaningless. Next, mental zone. 628 divided by 627 plus 1, that is 628, that is equals to 1. Next, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. The number by which we divide the number is called divisor. So C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.